So you might be having an issue where for some reason your Xbox Series X or S controller just keeps on dying super fast. Now what does this mean? Well, basically you might know as your controller, it has a battery on the back, and if your controller is randomly on, then it can drain the battery like crazy. So what I would recommend doing is I would recommend going through and making sure you're not leaving your controller on by accident. This is by far the fastest way people run into these types of issues. So just go ahead, go through, and make sure you're not running into your problem where your controller is just staying on or the battery staying on over time. That can probably be the main reason and the main issue that you're having. So make sure if you're done using your controller, power it off. You can hold down this button if you really want to power it off that way, disconnect it, and that'll save your controller from dying. Now another thing, if you have a standard battery back, like AA batteries in the back of this controller, you may want to go and see if the batteries are the issue. If your batteries are dying very fast, either the battery health of if your batteries are dying, or basically the batteries are just dead and you just keep using them over and over again. So replace the battery pack. If you have rechargeable AA batteries, you may just want to go ahead and make sure that those specific batteries are also perfectly set, because those ones over time can also die out. The battery health can go down faster as well. So just go ahead, you replace those batteries too. You may just want to take a look at the coils and just make sure nothing is rubbing against them. Make sure they're clean on both sides, because if they have degradation, if they have acid, built stuck around them, that can cause some really big problems for your controller as well. Now, if you're still having issues with your controller, you may want to see if there's any updates available for your controller via your Xbox. If you don't have an Xbox, you can try updating your device that you have, and that may end up fixing the problem too. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.